First of all, this blonde is blonding, honey, okay? But if you don't want to do blonde, you can always do a natural color. But this came with some brown HD lace that I did not have to add makeup to. This unit is glueless and I can part it wherever I want. What's up, ladies? What's going on? It's your girl Carrie M. If you're new here, please make sure you click on that pretty red subscribe button so you can hook your sister up. If you don't want to miss any of my beauty, fashion, or lifestyle videos, make sure you turn on the notification bell because I does it all, okay? Now, today's video is sponsored by Samsbeauty, so thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. They sent me over this unit that I'm going to be talking about today, okay? Now, firstly, if you're not familiar with Samsbeauty, it's an online beauty supply store where you could get like all of your wigs, girl, synthetic wigs, human hair wigs, extensions, braiding hair, products, tools, whatever you need in the beauty world, they got you, okay? So definitely check them out. This unit, of course, will be linked in the description box, so you can go ahead, click it, and get straight to it if you're interested. So firstly, this is a brand that I've never tried before, okay? Now, when you think about synthetic wigs and all of that, we have like the main brands that we always try. This one is literally my first time trying it, and I personally haven't seen anyone else review the brand. Maybe they did, maybe they didn't. I just didn't see it, okay? So the unit is from the Stylist, and you know what? I have had my eyes on some of the Stylist units on the website. I just never actually click the button to actually buy it. Anyways, this unit has HD invisible lace, 13x6 pre-plucked, so we got some areas to part this unit. It's a 100% human hair master blend, which means you're gonna have some synthetic and some human hair in it. Now, the style is called Brianna, and the color is 613, and the lace that I have it in is the brown HD lace. Now, you do have some options to choose which lace you want. That I truly appreciate it, okay? All right, so I'm getting this unit nicely on my head, and I will be using the elastic band. So it's going to be glueless, gelless, and sprayless. The hairline is looking pretty good, I cannot lie, and that brown lace is really nice. So I will not be using any makeup on this lace at all because I don't think it's needed. Now, for cutting this, I will be using a zigzag type pattern, using my scissors and my brow razor. Whatever works for you is what you got to use. You do get ear to ear lace. The lace was actually covering my ear, so I had to cut around that real good. And as far as parting, you can part it wherever you want because it's a 13x6. So I did do the middle part. I will later show you some other styles. And girl, I was looking to see if we could use heat on here. I didn't see nothing on there, so I tested a little piece that I cut off the lace and it didn't melt, so we good to go. So I went ahead and flattened out my hair a little bit, and then I used this little wax stick to ting a few flyaways and just to get the hair to sit nicely. And then the last part that I really had to do was tame those long behind bang baby hairs, okay? So I used some of my bedhead spray, and I was just trying to comb the baby hairs into the hair so it could kind of stay put. But when I tell you that them baby hairs are so intrusive that it's just flyaways, I didn't really want to pluck it because I didn't want to ruin the hairline. But girl, I might have to pluck it if I'm gonna wear this wig again. But anyways, this hair was really easy to style. No makeup needed, okay? The lace is looking good. Everything looks nice. It is a little small on the size. I told you that. As far as pulling up towards the front, the cut is nice. It's a nice cut classic bob. Now we got the side part action going on right here. That looks really, really nice, y'all. I like this. And then you got the flip over option with no parting space, and this one is actually my favorite option. And then again, you can do the middle part. This is my second favorite. So you have options with this unit. Now, like I said, I absolutely love the lace. I love that it's brown and it matches to me like really, really good. So if you're a brown girl, I definitely recommend getting the unit in the brown HD lace. Also, the texture on this unit is a silky texture, and it's really, really soft. I haven't had any issues really with any shedding or tangling, so that is pretty good. I do, however, have some issues with these bangs. That's what they are. They are giving definitely bangs. So the baby hairs are definitely going to cast some flyaways on this unit. I must say the hairline is actually pretty decent in my opinion. I didn't feel like I needed to go in and tweak it anymore, so I left it as is, you feel me? I mean, as far as the fit goes, it doesn't feel tight or anything, but when we start getting next to the lower sideburns, next to the ear area, I noticed that it's just not fitting. It's not giving me the coverage that I would like to have. I would say though, the elastic band isn't too tight and it's actually perfect for this style because the lace is decent and I didn't feel the need to melt this unit down. Now, also the unit is a flatter unit. It's not that full in density. Now, I'm not going to say that's a con or a bad thing because I've heard people and I saw people in my comment section telling me that they don't like their hair to be too thick and they prefer it to be on the thinner side. Now, I absolutely love this color. I think the 613 is definitely giving me some type of vibe. This is a beautiful color on a brown skin, and then that lace is just helping it out even more. Absolutely love the blondes, okay? Who said we can't wear blondes? Not me, and I will wear the brightest blonde out there, okay? Now, overall, I do think the style is really cute. A nice little classic bang. I think for me, what's giving me the most is the color because it's really, really different. But, you know, aside from that, it's, you know, it's just cute. It's not something that I must have, but it is something that I would like to have in the collection. For one of those nights, I'm feeling a little spicy and I want to put on some blonde hair. So, yeah. Y'all, I keep looking at myself. That's why I keep looking down here. So y'all let me know in the comment section what you think about this unit, okay? Is it a yay or a nay, sis? Let me know. I think it's really good that I try something different, okay? The Stylist. I definitely want to try out some other units from them to see what it's hitting for. Because honestly, I didn't expect the quality that I do have based on looking at the stock cars and not seeing any other reviews. I thought it was gonna look super wiggy, but the hairline came out decent. The lace is nice. The style is cool. Like, I'm not mad at them at all. Like, Stylist is okay in my book. I gotta try some more styles, see what else they hitting for, okay? Again, the unit is from Samsbeauty, so it will be linked in the description box below, but I'm gonna wrap this video up. It was cool. It was fun. I'll see you later. Bye.